Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and I am sharing with you a journal that I made on October the 29th during my live YouTube session. So to see how this was put together, definitely watch that video, and it's a lot of fun. And of course, just remember, anytime you're watching any of my videos, down in that lower right hand corner there's a little gear, and if you click on that you can change the speed. So if you're in a hurry, you can take it up to 2 times speed. I may talk a little faster, but you should be able to make out what was going on. So let's get into this. The idea is, in the month of November 2018, every day I'm going to journal, and basically I'm going to write about things that I am thankful or grateful for, and I needed a journal so that I could do that. So I thought I would share this journal and then inspire you to put together your own journal and journal along with me as hashtag 30 days of thankful 2018. And I'll have a Facebook event. I'll also post this on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Patreon, as well as here on YouTube. I may not do a video every day, but I'll have a post every day on the other social medias. So definitely check out in the description box links to my social media connectors, and of course join my Facebook groups as well. So what I did was, I've got some images from Calico Collage. One of them is a kit called 30 Days of Thankful from Calico Collage, and the link will be in the description box below. I also used a few pages from Simply Autumn, and then the rest of it was things that I had and things that I made. So for example, here on the front page, this is a page from one of my gel press play sessions, and I even stamped and embossed some gold butterflies on there because we need a little bit of bling. And then these are the images from Calico Collage. And then I used the stencil that I made and have in my shop and some Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist to get this neat effect here. Then I made a pocket on the inside. This is just some of the leftover bits that I didn't use and can use later. This is one of the Simply Autumn images. I used a couple of stamps in here and sprayed the pages with Tattered Angels. This is another one of my gel print pages. This is a page out of a dictionary that I pasted a piece on top. And this was a page that I fussy cut because when I printed, it printed two-sided, but the second side was upside down. So I just cut it apart and put it in here and added a little bit of some graph paper to write on. This is a scrapbook paper. Another little pocket here. This was a Mop Up page from my Tattered Angels, and I just stamped on top, added a Calico Collage image. This page here is from a masterboard page that I made in a couple of videos a while back. I shared how I did that. More stamping. So basically the idea is, every day in the month of November, we're going to write in our journals saying why we're thankful, what we're thankful for, and maybe even adding photos if you want to do art as well. I may also have a couple of tag tutorials in case you want to have a little tag flip book or something to put things in. I haven't quite decided, but I'm going to be working on that the rest of this day anyway, trying to get it all planned out. And then there's some extra pieces that I put here. Anyhow, I just wanted to come and say, make a journal. I would recommend about 8 pages that you fold in half, so that would give you over 30 pages if you want to have 1 page per day. If you want to have more than that, like I did, because some of these images were too pretty and I didn't want to write on top of them, I did 9 sheets of paper. So that's 30 pages, plus the little journaling cards could be attached as well. So make a journal any size. It doesn't really matter. It's just whatever you want to use to be able to write in and play along with us starting on November the 1st. So be on the lookout for my first post to show the first prompt. All right, everybody, there will be some pictures at the end that you can check out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to encourage others to do this, please share this video with your friends on your preferred social media so that we can encourage each other. And maybe we'll do a little something special at the end of the month and we can share all of our photos of our special days that we most enjoyed. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the hashtag 30 Days of Thankful 2018. Bye.